We'll discuss the five main essential nutrients that you should start incorporating in your daily diet for breast cancer prevention. We will talk about phytoestrogens, which are the plant powered estrogens. In the last session, we talked about xenoestrogens, the foreign estrogens that are bad for you. Today, I'm talking about the plant estrogens that are really good for you. And I'm going to talk about one vegetable and the best form of the vegetable to consume, which has been, really studied scientifically to support breast cancer prevention. And it's the one vegetable you should be eating every day to keep breast cancer away. So let's get started. I'm going to say a quick hi to Sri Sunrise. Thanks for watching. I have lots of such videos. So if you go on to my YouTube channel or my Facebook page, Manjiri Nadkarni, you can scroll through all the videos I've done previously as well, and you'll get all the information that you require. So today we are talking about the five main nutrients that you need in your diet and your life to be able to keep breast cancer away. The number one nutrient that is super important for everyone is vitamin D, right? So this week has been fantastic in Ontario, especially like southwestern Ontario, where you can see a lot of sunshine. So today I don't see too much sunshine now, but this entire week was so beautiful that every single day I went out for a walk twice. Make sure you're going out, you're having your skin exposed to the sun, because vitamin D is the number one nutrient that can protect you against breast cancer. Vitamin D regulates the cell growth. Vitamin D boosts immune function. It will reduce inflammation. It will help have stronger bones by improving your calcium absorption. And it is actually studied that women who have sufficient vitamin D have a lower risk of developing breast cancer. It has also been seen that various types of cancer, not just breast cancer, are associated with vitamin D deficiency. In Canada, in North America particularly, you don't get enough vitamin D. So it is super important that whenever the sun is out there shining bright, you have to be outside. You have to expose your skin to the morning sun. If you apply a lot of sunscreens, sun shields, you are not going to make vitamin D in your body. Now, if you are trying everything and it's really cold, and in the winter months, there is no way I'm going to go out and 0 or -degrees and exposing my skin out to the sun, that's when we need vitamin D supplementation. Vitamin D, especially D3 supplementation, is important. So if you are looking at supplementing, I would start with a minimum of 5,000 international units for the fall and winter months, right? So vitamin D is again extremely important for cellular growth, for normalizing the cellular growth. So 5,000 international units, perfectly fine. If you are living in an area where you get sun, it's not cold, if you live in the tropical zones, ideally morning sun, the first rays, not the afternoon excess heat, but the earliest morning after sunrise, you can just go out for a walk, and that is the best time to expose your skin. So you're not going to get those harmful UV rays, but you are going to get enough good sunlight to make vitamin D. So number one, super important nutrient for your breast cancer prevention is vitamin D. The second one I'm going to talk about is vitamin E. So vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant. We all talk about vitamin D, but I think there is not enough information about vitamin E. And vitamin E is found in foods as well. You don't always have to supplement it. So foods like almonds, which we talk about eating every single day in Ayurveda. So if you have almonds first thing in the morning, soak them, peel them, you will get some amount of vitamin E. Sunflower seeds are a good source of vitamin E. Spinach, broccoli are vegetables, which have vitamin E as well. So you have to have some vitamin E in your diet for your skin health. Also, it's a powerful antioxidant. It is something that will neutralize free radicals that can damage your DNA, and DNA damage is at the root of cancerous cells. It protects your cell membranes. integrity of the cell membranes. It is preventing the mutations. It's going to prevent the spread of cancerous cell, prevent metastasis. It's going to support your immune system. So if your immune system goes wonky, you get autoimmunity. If your immune system is extremely weakened, you're getting constant infection. So we don't want that happening. And to keep your immune system balanced, where your immune system is acting properly, it is recognizing if certain cells are about to turn cancerous and killing them before they can form those cancerous cells. They can this can also switch off the oncogenes. So that's why when you need your vitamin E, vitamin E is also going to inhibit tumor growth. So if there are any tumors that are growing, if you get enough amounts of vitamin E, it will stop the cancer cell proliferation. And it is an antioxidant plus also anti-inflammatory. So food sources are always the first approach for supplementation. Again, for supplements like vitamin E or other ones, they can be customized. So you have to work with your practitioner. If you need to set up a call with me, just message me and I'll be more than happy to discuss it one on one. The third nutrient is selenium. Selenium, again, extremely important to prevent DNA damage. Rather than eating a ton of cashews, if you even add two Brazil nuts to your diet every single day, you are going to get a good amount of selenium. Selenium usually depends on the soil where you are. The Brazil nuts are super rich in selenium. So if you want to, prevent breast cancer, the third nutrient in your diet should be selenium. If you are someone that likes eating fish, fish like sardines is rich in selenium, tuna is rich in selenium, turkey eggs are rich in selenium, and also grains can be rich depending where they're grown. So where it is grown is super important because selenium is found in the soil that is then transferred into the grains and the nuts and poultry who's eating those grains, right? So selenium again extremely important. It is a potent antioxidant, again super supportive to the immune system, really helpful to regulate cell growth and cell death. So apoptosis is the condition where a cell that has gone rogue in your body is programmed to die. But for some reason, if your immunity cannot detect it, if your immunity is weakened, that's when it can turn cancerous. So having enough amounts of vitamin E, vitamin D, selenium is going to help with these conditions. And when we talk about excess estrogen in the body, we're talking about breast cancer, and excess estrogen is linked to breast cancer. So selenium actually helps metabolize as well as detoxify the excess estrogen in your body. So that's one thing you can do to add in your diet, and that's going to help you prevent breast cancer. Now, the fourth one is folate or vitamin B9. We all talk about folate that is found in spinach, kale, chickpeas, lentils, avocados have folate as well. So eating your leafy greens is super important because it gives you this vitamin called vitamin B9, that is folate. Folate again extremely important to promote DNA synthesis and repair, and it really helps your DNA get formed properly. This is one of the reasons why during pregnancy women are given folic acid or folate supplements, right? So this does reduce your risk for hormonal cancer. It prevents cellular damages. It is extremely important for other B vitamins as well and other antioxidants to work, and it will regulate homocysteine levels as well. So folate again extremely important. Getting these supplements through nutrients through food is first most important. If you're really lacking, then you can look at supplementation for sure. Fifth one, omega 3 is anti-inflammatory, lower chronic inflammation. They are regulating hormones. They are studied to inhibit tumor growth, improve your immunity, and omega 3s also reduce your risk of metastasis when it comes to breast cancer. Again, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines are the best form of omega 3s. Flax seeds have also been studied in breast cancer prevention. So if you add 1 to 2 tablespoons of flax seeds every single day, you have to grind them to be able to absorb them better and digest them better. So grind those flax seeds, add it to your diet, whether you're adding it, topping your soup with it, or you're adding it to a salad dressing, or you're just, making energy balls out of it with some other nuts and seeds. They are fantastic. The fiber will detoxify the hormones as well as the omega 3s will work, and the lignans are the protective, especially from flax seeds that have been studied for breast cancer prevention, as well as they support prevent metastasis due to breast cancer. So I would definitely go for omega 3s in the food form. Chia seeds, walnuts, I think I've talked about those enough. And if you are someone who is eating fish, I would consider a minimum of 3 servings of fatty fish a week. So at least 3 times a week, you have to have some kind of a fatty fish that's going to help you with your brain function, with your eye function, and also lowering the risk of cancer. So these are the 5 nutrients in terms of the vitamins and minerals. Now let's talk about the 5 phytonutrients. Again, I have spoken about this before, so I'm just going to keep it short. Curcumin found in turmeric is extremely amazing for any kind of cancer inhibition. So it will protect you from cancer, it will prevent cancer cell growth, prevent metastasis. So curcumin, that's found in turmeric, and that is why in the Indian culture we add haldi or turmeric in each meal, right? So half to a quarter teaspoon when you're cooking your vegetables or you're making scrambled eggs or any foods, or you can have it in the form of golden milk as well. That's going to give you curcumin plus other curcuminoids, which are also potent antioxidants and can prevent cancer. Tomatoes, watermelon, pink grapefruit have lycopene that is common in them. And lycopene is also extremely important when it comes to cancer prevention, slowing down tumor formation. It helps DNA repair, and it is also something that has been studied for breast cancer as well as prostate cancer. So eating fresh tomatoes that you have grown yourself have higher lycopene content. Cherry tomatoes have a higher lycopene content as compared to the big Roma tomatoes or leaf stick tomatoes, right? So make sure you opt for cherry tomatoes because they are packed with lycopene as compared to the other ones. The third one is sulforaphane that is found in cruciferous vegetables. Sulforaphane is extremely important because it is going to detoxify a lot of the carcinogens, the xenoestrogens, foreign estrogens, and other cancer causing agents from the liver itself. So it is a potent phase 2 liver enzyme, detoxifier. So it activates the phase 2. It's going to help you detoxify a lot of these cancer-causing chemicals from your liver. It again will inhibit the cell growth when it comes to cancer. It prevents your DNA damage, and it also has anti-estrogenic effect. So if you are struggling with excess estrogen, if you have hormonal cancer, this could be of help. Sulforaphane is the ingredient. Then we look at quercetin. So quercetin is found in red onions, it's found in apples, berries. Super important because of the antioxidants. It will inhibit cancer cell growth. It is anti-inflammatory. It regulates your estrogen as well. And the last one is found in chickpeas and lentils. That's called genistein. That's also found in soy, and that is a phytoestrogen. So phytoestrogen is a natural estrogen found in plants that can occupy the receptors of estrogen, and that is going to stop the action of the foreign estrogens and protect your body. So these have a preventative protective effect on your body, and they are also known to inhibit tumor growth. So this is a little bit of my talk on phytoestrogens. So phytoestrogens are extremely important in your diet. There are certain foods we talked about like um, genistein, which is found in chickpeas and lentils. They have phytoestrogens. Mung bean has phytoestrogens as well, and lignans, which are found in flaxseed, sesame seed, whole grains, also have phytoestrogens or lignans that are going to bind and detoxify the excessive estrogen at At the same time, if you are a menopausal woman whose hormones are waning naturally, they will support your body in the form of giving hormone like function. So, what's going to happen is you will notice reduced hot flashes, reduced night sweats, your mood is better because they are going to mimic estrogen in your body, and they are also going to reduce the risk of cancer, and they have a protection against hormone dependent cancers, especially, right? So these are what phytoestrogens are. Phytoestrogens are plant-based estrogens. Certain plants have certain chemicals that act like estrogen that have a protective action on your body, exactly opposite to the foreign chemicals that we have discussed before that act like estrogens but that can damage your body, that can damage cells, that can cause cancer. So this is the difference between phytoestrogens and xenoestrogens. And if you are a woman over the age of 40, you have to start adding phytoestrogens to your diet on a regular basis for having the protective action of phytoestrogens for prevention of those cancers, as well as making sure your mood stays good, making sure your bones stay good. So all the good actions of estrogen will be shown by these plant-based estrogens as well. So make sure you start adding flaxseed or chickpeas or lentils in your diet. My last topic for today, or point that I'm going to make for today, is there is one vegetable that you should eat every single day to keep breast cancer away. That's nothing but broccoli. Broccoli contains sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is a sulfur containing compound. It is found in high quantities in broccoli, especially broccoli sprouts. So broccoli sprouts are different from broccoli. When we look at protection against breast cancer, broccoli is amazing, but broccoli sprouts are even more amazing. What you could do is you could buy broccoli seeds, soak them, and let them sprout for over 3 days. A lot of scientific studies have been carried over 3-day broccoli sprouts that are protective, preventative against breast cancer, and they have about 100 times more sulforaphane than actual broccoli. And this is going to help your liver detoxify those harmful chemicals. It's going to help activate certain enzymes in the body, like glutathione S transferase, and they will stop those harmful effects of estrogen on your breast tissue, or your uterus, or your cervix, and prevent cancer in such a way. And they also stop those cancer cells from multiplying too fast, so they stop the cancer cell proliferation, they lower your inflammation, and they are also protecting you from environmental toxins like pesticides, pollutants, all the hormone disrupting chemicals that we have discussed before. And they also repair any damaged DNA. They also help support your genetic health, right? So if you are a woman around the age of 40, it is time to take charge of your health. It is time to make sure that your hormones stay balanced in this time, because this is the time when the transition happens. I'm seeing a lot of my clients in the early 40s struggling with menopausal symptoms or perimenopause, which is the time before menopause. And once you lose your natural protective hormones, there is more risk for you from the xenoestrogens. There is also a higher risk for you for different kinds of cancers by these environmental toxins that we have discussed before, right? So if you are a woman over 40, start adding broccoli sprouts to your diet, start adding flaxseed to your diet, and that's really going to support you, prevent and protect yourself from breast cancer, and eat as clean as possible. So you have to eat clean. Everything that you feed your body is going to show up in your body on different systems, including your skin, is going to show up in your mind in terms of your emotions as well. So that is why it is super important every single day to be extremely conscious about what exactly are you putting in your body. So it's super important. So make sure you follow, this video and start adding the foods that are going to have the protective action against any of these, cancers, and taking the foods out that are increasing your risk for different kinds of cancers, right? So that's my topic for today. If you have any questions or if you have any suggestions, please feel free to message me. And if you want me to do videos on different topics, just message me and I'll be more than happy to share my wisdom on those topics as well. Next session, I'm going to talk about 3 daily practices to support your lymphatic system for breast cancer prevention. So stay tuned for the next Wellness Wednesday. Also, if you are watching this and you are new to me, I am also hosting Ayurveda Day. So Ayurveda Day is the day when we celebrate Ayurvedic medicine, how it came on to the earth, and it's the first day of Diwali, which is super important. So if you check out the link in the bio, you can sign up for Ayurveda Day, where I'm going to talk more about foods that can prevent cancer. I have 4 more women in Ayurveda with me, and we're going to talk about different topics like intermittent fasting. We're going to talk about mental health. We're going to talk about karmic debt. So please stay tuned for that, and you can sign up using the link in the bio. Thank you so much for watching this live. I will see you soon, and have a fantastic day. Stay. Have a fantastic day.